Rivian is worth more than Ford and GM. So it's really amazing how you have these companies that are around for 300 years, and then these newcomers just come in, you know. Again, I feel like, the nature of trading, just, the indexes are hovering at all-time highs. You can see the QQQs hovering just below their highs right here. But, in this bit of this trading range, not a lot of volatility. The Dow kind of hooked down yesterday, but still kind of, hovering in this little zone, the S&P. So I feel like, I'm usually pretty aggressive. You can see the S&P is path of least resistance is higher. These things are still going higher, but I just feel like the volatility is really kind of calming down. A lot of the energy is being in these EV stocks. Tesla's up now. Actually, Tesla looks like it grabbed a bottom yesterday. I said it was actually a buy. So kind of got this weekly hookup. So Tesla's in this kind of no man's land right now, but path of least resistance is somewhat higher. You can see that the volatility started to expand in this area. What I mean by volatility, you can see how small the ranges of these bars are, and then how the volatility is really picking up. So typically when there's a change in volatility, usually we get a change in direction, but I think you could get another spike up to new highs here. So you have this key reversal here, you have this bit of a bottom. So it's in between, support and resistance. I think you opened higher today and now you're drifting lower. The key area to watch is this guy right here. The top of this guy is a little over 1100. I don't know if we get above there. So it's a bit of a tricky area. You've had this whole EV space running, Fisker Motors, catching a bid here. You've got Lucid. Now, Lucid is worth more than Ford and GM. Rivian is worth more than Ford and GM. So it's really amazing how you have these companies that are around for 300 years, and then these newcomers just come in, worth more than both of those combined. So this is Lucid. So you can see how, the things. So I don't know, to start chasing these things now, I would not do it. Also Rivian, I don't know if you held on to your shorts, Jonathan, but it's, tough going there.
God, no, man. That thing, and I was strongly considering going long. I kind of regretted it because it just went up and up on the close yesterday.
What is the ticker symbol? I keep on mixing it up. RIVN?
RVN.
RIVN. So, yeah, I mean, this is worth more than GM and Ford put together. Hasn't sold a car. So is Lucid Motors. There's only so much room in this space. It can't go on forever. So if you haven't been there, you've kind of, that's where all the energy is going. But there are two stocks that I've been looking at and kind of killing myself because Roku is going to open $8 lower today. And BIIB, I think, is going to open $10 lower. So this is one stock. I put this on the list, the elite list last night. This is one stock that's been dribbling down. And to me, it just looks like, I've said it before, the weekly looks like Beyond Meat. I mean, it just looks like a multi-year distribution. And today, this thing's just getting whacked. And, I'm not in it. It just kind of kills me to see these things. And I'm not in it. So this whole thing, it's even longer than that, I guess. BI Biogen. You can see this whole thing is just a massive top that's been building for years and years. And this whole thing just looks like a distribution. You know, you can see this whole thing is just a massive distribution. And so we're opening about $10 lower today, like around 250. So this thing is, you know, hurdles to 220. This thing looks like it's just going to come apart. So I've been looking at this for a while and it's coming apart. So those are two things that I'm watching and I'm not in, and, you know, they're moving.
So you can see, yeah, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So popped out a profit for 118,000 there.
So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts.
I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.